Good morning and welcome to today's video. It's very early in the morning. I'm here with Helena, and GoPro and TFL have sent me on a mission today to get some shots around London. Now it's reopened after lockdown, so go for a lovely sunrise spin. Unfortunately, there isn't a sunrise. It's just clouds. Oh, there might be something. How are you?
I'm good. It's early.
It's very early.
It's very windy today.
Well, we have a tailwind now. We're going to suffer later. I'll sit behind you.
No, you won't.
I'll get loads of draft.
I'll sit behind you because I'm tinier than you.
Beautiful morning light and you're just on your phone. Yep. Look how nice it is, look. Oh, and the light's gone now.
It was lovely.
So that actually went pretty well. Finding the infrastructure is so easy, I didn't really have to look. We just rode around. Phase 2, they want some shots at a coffee shop. It's a hard life, Helena, isn't it?
Yeah. Coffee and pastries.
I said I'd get you a coffee, not pastries as well.
But then you told me the coffee was going to be free.
You signed the contract.
I didn't sign anything.
Big thank you to Jack from Tab multiplied by tab, whatever this place is called, for putting up with my weird GoPro video. And thanks for the coffee. Do you think it's better than Giro? Can't say that on camera, can you?
Daisy makes the best coffee. Everyone knows that. This is the best coffee in Kensington.
Everything's changed.
Smells like paint and plaster in here.
You've actually still got loads of space, haven't you?
Yeah.
It's a big TV.
It's the same TV.
Huh. Nice cornflakes.
Yeah, mate.
Oh. So some of you guys might have seen in Lawrence's video, there's some changes going on in here. This is the basement, our studio. But it's not really the basement anymore because it's moving upstairs. We built a room exactly the same size upstairs. So everything should fit nicely. I don't know whose bike that is though. Needs a bit of work. $100,000 subscribers. You guys have been hyping this up in the comments for a while now, and my channel's just ticked over 100k subscribers. So I figured it would be good to talk about it for a bit. First of all, thank you for watching these videos and being part of it. Thank you for engaging with them. Starting the YouTube channel is hands down the best thing I've ever done. It's enabled me to work for myself, travel to new places, meet loads of people I wouldn't have otherwise. But does getting 100,000 subscribers really matter? First of all, I don't think it's the most relevant metric when looking at the size of a YouTube channel. There are channels out there with 2 million subscribers that get similar views to what I get. It's all dependent on what your channel puts forward, the kind of content that you're actually making. But for whatever reason, everybody seems to focus on subscriber count. I suppose people like to be part of a big thing, and a bigger number hints at legitimacy. But ignoring the subscriber count, does even the size of a YouTube channel matter? Here's my take on it. The creative process is what I love. The challenge of producing a video myself, filming, editing, acting in it, all of that stuff is a challenge. Working to time constraints, getting up early, forcing me to ride my bike in different places, and actually taking my eyes off my bike computer and experiencing the world around me. It's not about the destination of getting to a certain subscriber count, it's about the journey in between. That's the important bit. Exciting things have been happening since I was on 1,000 subscribers. Opportunities for work started coming up as soon as I started documenting events. I've developed a whole set of skills around video production, which I didn't have any experience of before I started YouTube. Really, the feeling and the vibe surrounding what I'm doing hasn't changed at all since the start 4 years ago. The engagement from viewers feels the same, even though it's a few more comments to scroll through. And sure, having more viewers has definitely made things easier. If I need to replace a bit of camera equipment because I've broken it, I can now. I've got more bike equipment at my disposal now, therefore more topics to cover in videos, but really the workload hasn't changed. Bottom line, if these videos inspire someone to get on a bike, then mission accomplished. If a higher subscriber count means that's going to be more people, then cool. I suppose it is a milestone worth celebrating. Making something you're proud of and putting it out there is what's important. And I'm not just applying that to YouTube. It could be anything at all. You guys are allowing me to do that. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, please leave a comment down below, and I'll see you soon.